So Mark has just recorded an adventure all down the south coast.
True.
But he's having technical issues.
Yes. I'll try to load it up and the computer keeps on rejecting it. It keeps crashing.
Yeah.
It just freezes.
Fortunately, he has his own free former IT consultant here.
Yeah.
And see if I can
have a look at it.
See if I can have a look, yeah. Mark's sister is
In the market for a new camper van and she sent me that.
yeah, the Beverly Hillbillies. Wow. Was that a Nigerian camper van? Or
At least you can stand up in it.
was it Jamaican or Nigerian or something? Hang on, there's some lettering on the side. And no, it's not, it's just rust. Oh, and there's Tina next to the Crocs. Do you wear socks in the Crocs?
Yes. I don't know. I thought you watched my channel, but I did a little homage to you.
Oh.
I put in on dropping me Crocs out of the window.
Oh, yes.
Slow-mo.
Slow-mo. Oh, I haven't done a slow-mo sandal. Oh, and the socks in the sandals. That is amazing. Nicely done, Mark. Socks with Crocs. Nice. I've got to say, I didn't do any research before meeting Mark today, so I haven't seen his channel. didn't even know he was a YouTuber. So Sarah and we were both in Colchester yesterday evening, but I didn't know he was there, so I went on to Clacton. What a nice spot. This is called Rowlands, is it?
Rowhedge, just south of Colchester.
Nice.
A couple of canoeists.
Oh yeah. There's the logo. That's a great logo.
Someone said it looked like British Gas.
We're almost there now, ready to be served. Mark's done his homework on this place.
Yeah, afternoon tea, you get a big tray, 3 trays. You get cakes at the top, you get scones, cream, and at the bottom, sandwiches. And they say they're mini cakes.
Everything?
Yep.
I don't know what to say.
Tiptree great.
And check out the ceiling in this tea room. And this isn't even the museum. The museum's next door. JB, look at all these old galvanometers here. And various tools. And there's the inventor of the jam. And we have breaking news regarding Zeds in the man cave. Favourite subject. Take it away, Mark.
Yes, the body wipes. Socks makes these last a long time, but I'm finding that mine only lasts 2 days, a whole packet, so I'm going to have to slow down with my consumption.
You're not supposed to wear them on every square inch. You're supposed to smear them down the skin.
I don't use the same one to do every single patch. I use about 5 for different zones, what I call zones.
Exactly, and there is a certain order in which you do the wipes, but we can't discuss it here because it's a family show.
And we're about to have something to eat as well.
When Mark is around his sister's house,
I'm banned from playing any Socks with Sandals videos because it puts them off their dinner.
especially the zoom in on the injured toe. They like that? The toe injury.
That was the killer, that one.
Yeah, so that they could handle the slop outs in slow-mo, they could handle the wipes, but...
well, not so much the wipes.
No.
I think it's slow-mos are okay with it. It's the wipes.
The wipes on the toe got them.
The toe jam. Yeah, when I noticed Socks subscribed to my channel once, and I always check to see what content other subscribers have got, and I went on to Socks' channel, and it was just a bloke walking around looking at buildings and stuff, so I think I unsubscribed. But the algorithm, it came up again, and then he was doing a slow motion wee tip down a drain, and that kind of caught my attention, so I started watching him. Yes, I was just telling Socks my favourite wee drop was the one he did in Buxton.
This is the slow-mo slop out.
Yeah, slow-mo slop out on onto the gunnerer plants in slow motion, and I was just asking him how he gets the sound, because it was complete with sound as well, the splishy splashing.
Yeah, so the Android phone I've got has got two types of slow-mo. One's just called slow motion, the other one's called super slow-mo. The slow-mo is, I think, 4 times slower, but the super slow-mo is 16 times slower. So it's like 4 octaves down and 2 low for hearing, but the regular slow-mo, you can still hear the audio. Oh yeah.
That's mine. Yours is on its way.
Frightfully civilised, Earl Grey, hot naturally.
And Cadbury's hot drinking chocolate.
Oh, there's posh.
I don't know if Socks is going to start at the top on the cakes and work his way down, because he doesn't do things in the normal order. I've seen him stuff an Arctic roll before, he went on to his main course.
But as JB knows, once you've had a dessert course, you can't go back to savoury.
Halfway through me pudding, I can't go back to savoury now. Oh no, my taste buds would go crazy. I can't go back to savoury now. I can't go back.
I was about to say, there's nothing wrong with 2 consenting male adults enjoying afternoon tea together. Just like to make that clear.
Yeah. Just to also make it clear, we will be going to our toilet breaks separately. Wow. And of course, clotted cream from Cornwall, naturally. Now, whether it's scone or scone, or whether you put the jam on first or the cream on first, there is something very excellently British about scones with Earl Grey tea. So, sadly, my scone completely crumbled, but the waiter came by and asked if everything was okay, and I said, my scone crumbled. And what a lad. He went and brought me another one. A proper one.
Hey.
Yeah. Still crumbly, but I can make something of this one. Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Like wow, my favorite. A double, triple-decker sardine and marshmallow fudge sandwich. Open the mouth, between the gums. Look out, stomach, here it comes.
Now that all the savoury's polished away, we have to decide how we apportion the desserts.
I'm going to turn it this way round.
Wow, it's like sale of the century.
I'm not so keen on the Socks allergic to nuts, so I've got the nut cakes.
Yeah, worked out well. So I get the 2 cakes without the nuts in. Might not be adding extra cream to it.
This is no ordinary cake. This is a Tiptree cake.
Oh yes, a lemon curd and meringue, lovely.
Strawberry pistachio. Done it with your mouth full. Down in one, down in one, down in one.
Oh no, peer pressure. I was going to savour this little steam pudding, but that was actually a lemon drizzle cake.